Hi guys, my name is Anish and today I am going to unbox H102 radio control high speed board. So here you can see its box. It comes with LCD screen, 2.4 GHz frequency, high speed, reverse function, and this is the full functional board. And here you can see both batteries are included. Wow, this is a 14+ H board and here you can see its packaging. I already unboxed the box before but I am unboxing this box again to show you. So packaging may vary. So let's start the unboxing. Here you can see all things are came out. At first I am showing you it accessories. At first you will get a charging cable which USB to pin charging cable. Using this cable you will able to charge your boat's battery. Keep it aside, and here you can see silica gels packet and some other accessories like foam. You can protect your remote joysticks like that. And here we got here the grease. It will smooth your boat motor's mechanism. One extra propeller, a cap and a tool. You can repair the boat using this tool. So that was the accessories, and here we got here our remote. You can see here the remote comes with 2.4 GHz frequency. Here is its on off switch, and this comes with LCD display. That is great for this boat. And here the trim buttons. On the upper side of this remote you will get buttons and an antenna. So the build quality is very good. You have to insert 4 SSH batteries to operate the remote. Let's keep it aside and come on the main thing. Here you can see our main unit, which is boat. Its model number is H102. The material quality is great. Here you can see its blades and its rotator. I think the battery is inside the boat. Let's check it out. Here you can see this part is air locked. You have to unlock like that. This boat is completely waterproof. And here you can see its inside mechanism. This is the main motor of this boat. Here you can see the pipes. It helps the motor to cool down. Here is the servo motor which used for the direction of this boat. And here you can see its battery. You will get 7.4 volt 600 mAh battery with this boat. So this is the power connector and this is the charging connector. You can fix the battery like that, which is very simple. You can connect the battery with the boat like that. But it will not connect with the remote here. It will connect when it flows on the water. So why are you waiting for? Let's go on the water and test it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming videos. Thank you so much.